In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine date and time columns in Excel. This is a very common task when you have one column that contains dates, another column that contains times, and you want them to appear together as a single combined date and time value. By the end of this video, you will be able to build the combined value in a new column and format it so it displays exactly the way you want. To begin, look at your spreadsheet and locate the date and time columns. In our example setup, the date and time values are in columns A and B, and we are going to place the combined result in column C. Now click on the empty cell C2. This is where your combined date and time will appear for the first row. Once cell C2 is selected, you are going to enter a formula. Type =A, 2 plus B2 into cell C2, and then press enter. After you press enter, Excel calculates the result and fills cell C2 with a value that represents the combined date and time. This works because Excel stores dates and times as numbers internally. When you add them together, you get a single number that contains both the date portion and the time portion. Now that you see a result in C2, you may notice that it does not display in the format you want yet. That is completely normal. Excel might be showing it as a generic number, or it might be displaying only part of the information. To fix the display, go ahead and select cell C2 again, so it is active. With cell C2 selected, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells window. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to change how Excel shows values. When the Format Cells window appears, look for the tab that says Number. Click on Number and then choose Custom. The Custom Format option is what lets you define exactly how the date and time should look. Next, in the Custom area, you will see a Format input box. Type YY by mim.ddhhmim into the Format field. This specific pattern tells Excel to display the year, month, and day first, followed by a space, and then the hour and minute in a 24-hour style format. After you type the format, click OK to apply it. Now take a moment to check cell C2. Your combined value should display in the format you specified, showing the date and time together as one readable entry. If you do not see the change right away, double-check that the cell still is set to that custom format, and that you are looking at the same cell C2. After confirming that the formatting looks correct for the first row, you can apply the same logic to the rest of the rows. To do that, drag the cell C2 corner downward. You are going to use the fill handle, which is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. As you drag it down, Excel copies the formula pattern to the cells below, updating A2 and B2 to match each row automatically. While you drag, keep an eye on the cells you are filling. You should see each combined date and time appear correctly in column C, and the formatting should remain consistent so that the display stays the same across all rows. This makes it easy to transform an entire dataset rather than adjusting each cell manually. And once you reach the end of your data, you can stop. That covers everything you need to know.